Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix address verification failure on Apple Pay. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your browser, and what you're going to do, you're going to see right here on iPhone, go to the settings, wallet, and Apple Pay, and then transaction defaults, and then address and update as needed. Go to the wallet app, tap on any card, tap the three dots on the corner, tab address, edit as needed for all cards, and go to the settings, Apple ID, your name at the top, payment and shipping, address, and edit as needed. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.